Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jillian and I make new videos on this channel twice a week. Today we're doing some speed cleaning, so let's get started in my kitchen by just doing some dishes.
We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Oh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. 'Cause every time we leave.
Okay, so now in my fridge, we're just gonna take out all of those old food containers, wash those up, and just reorganize a little bit.
So that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. I never needed love until I saw and I met your eyes. That's why I'm moving close to be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been.
I was cooking lunch while I was doing the other stuff, so this is after lunch now, and I'm just doing all of the lunch dishes.
I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. So that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now, now, now. To be here and to get you under my skin and right back to
We
it.
store all of our recycling under the sink, so I'm just gonna pull all of that out and take it out to our big recycling bin, and then just put a new bag into that recycling container.
Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew.
I feel like I wipe my counters 3 times a day, but I'm just gonna use my Thieves Cleaner for this.
Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around.
I like to use a product called Barkeeper's Friend on my stainless steel pots and pans every once in a while. And then if you do use this though, it's not like a food safe product, so make sure that you really wash your dishes well with dish soap after.
But I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you wanna know me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking I said that I needed you like a late night with someone that I knew.
Okay, this is actually the next day, and I'm just gonna clean our main bathroom.
I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions.
On the countertops, I'm using my Thieves Cleaner again, and then for my mirror, I'm gonna use a Norwex cloth and then a polishing microfiber cloth after.
I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you wanna know me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
I know not everybody wants to watch people clean their toilets, so I'm just showing you the products that I'm using here. So I have Castile soap for inside the bowl, Thieves Cleaner on the outside, and then hydrogen peroxide that I use to spray down the toilet brush after I'm done.
So good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you wanna know me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
I quickly mop my floors in here fairly often, but every once in a while I like to actually just like take my cleaner, spray it all over the floors, and hand wash my floors to get them like really nice and clean.
Last night we had something. Tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case.
Okay, we just got back from Costco, so I figured I'd show you guys what I got. So we picked up a rotisserie chicken. They're really good here, so I usually try to pick one up every time we go. some sweet potatoes, some organic quick cook steel cut oats. I got these granola bars. These are favorite granola bars. This is exciting. So I found these coconut milk vegan yogurts. I've never seen them at grocery stores in Canada, so I was really excited to see them at Costco. I got 2 of these little like pre-made salads, the Buffalo Blue and the Baja. Big thing of bananas, thing of chicken. We usually get organic chicken, but they didn't have any today. And then we got 2 24 things of bubbly because they're like $6 at the grocery store and they're only $7.99 at Costco. You have found your place. Not sure if I want this. You don't think that. Okay, so I'm just shredding that rotisserie chicken that we bought, and then I'm gonna put away the rest of the groceries, and then that's all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you did. And thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers.